Good morning. In this success series, we see about a projection of plane with numerical problems. Let's move on the moving numerical problem. We know the basic parameters, basic terms. We know to solve the projection of plane. Okay. So in this topic, we have various plane figures or the object. What is the usually asked the problem? Okay. So first of all, you draw the their projections means the front view, top view, and side view. That is they asking the importantly they're asking the problem. What will be given the problem? Okay, so I already said no. There is a three parameters are noted in each problem for while solving the engineering graphics problems. Okay, so what is that? That is describe the of the plane figure. Second one, it is a position with HP or VP. That is very important. That is based on the HP and VP, the orientation of the entire diagram or will be changes. Okay, you mentioned, you understood that clearly what the position they are mentioned in the problem. Okay, so in which manner it position with the HP and VP will be described. Inclination of its surface with one of the reference plane will be given. The incline of the one of its edges with other reference plane will be given. Hence, this will be the cases of the object inclined to both H reference of the planes. Okay. So in this terminology, we know that only for the problem solving the numeric problem. Let's move on the simple problem for this topic. Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about a projection of plane with a numerical problem. So what is the problem? Let's move on the topic. Draw the projection of the regular hexagon of 25 mm side having one of its side in HP and inclined at 60 degree to VP. Its surface making an angle of 45 degree with HP. So what is the problem in the given? It is a regular hexagon. Okay, the hexagon having a six side. So it having all the sides having equal side. That is a value of 25 mm is given in the problem. Having one of its side is one of the side on the HB mentioned. Okay, so any one of the side means you have six side. The six side you have to face as a round. That is called as HB and incline to V incline 60 degree to VP when they are mentioned. Okay, and the surface is making the 45 degree to HB. Okay, so first of all, you have to construct the hexagon. Okay, the hexagon is having side of 120 is a six side and 20 mm is the angle of interior angle of hexagon is 120 degree. So first of all, you have to draw the vertical line that is a perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular to the XY line. So what is the value that 25? You make the angle of 45 degree is 120 degree. Draw the line of AF and draw the line of BC. Similarly, you have to draw the parallel line of BC to FE and the parallel line of AF to CD. The remaining gap will be drawn between E and D. That is the point name is called as A, B, C, D, E, F. After constructing this one, you have to project all the corners of the side towards the XY line. Here, not mentioning the above and the infant value. So don't consider its value is 0. So that we have to draw the line over the XY line. So A, B, we constructing A dash, B dash, C, F, we constructing C dash, F dash, E, D, E, we considering D dash and the E dash. Okay, this is the first case we have mentioned. Okay, after that, the 45 degree incline to HP. Okay, HP. So that before you going to incline to HP, you have to measure the distance of A dash, B dash to D dash, E dash. Okay. So what distance you have to got? Okay, that value you have to note it out. Then you have to the line can be tilted 45 degree. Okay. So you make the angle, you place the protector and the point over 45 degree and draw the line. That is A dash, B dash, D dash, E dash. Okay. What is the line means you dot? Okay, that line is you have to draw the 45 degree. Okay, after drawing the 45 degree, you have to mark it the A dash, B dash, C dash, F dash. How to find the C dash, F dash? You measure the distance of either A dash, B dash or D dash, E dash. Just you have to point it out. Next the D dash and E dash. You draw the vertical line towards the vertical as the A dash, B dash, and C dash, F dash, D dash, E dash. And also draw the horizontal line from the top view. So after coinciding all the points, we make the point of A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1. All the points you are getting joined together, you getting the hexagon with the angle of 45 degree of tilted view. After that, another condition we have to mention. What is the condition we have to mention? That is inclined to 60 degree to VP. So how to proceed this type of 60 degree? You have to take the distance of 60 degree on the XY line. After that, you have to construct that. How to construct this is called as you have to measure the distance of A dash B dash, that is inclined to HB. So A dash B dash and C dash F dash E dash E dash. Just you have to consider that is what is the line you have to make it. Okay, now. So then how to find out this? Yeah, first you have to draw the 60 degree and draw the A dash and B dash and measure the distance of A C1, C1, E1 and F1. After constructing this, you draw the vertical line towards the above and draw the horizontal line from towards this. Okay. After constructing these lines, okay, you have to mark it as A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1 dash. Okay. So how to find out? A get joining with A1 dash, B get joining with B1 dash, C get joining with C1 dash, F dash joining with F1 dash, D dash joining with D1 dash, E dash joining with E1 dash. After joining all the points, okay, you're getting the final view of this condition. So this is the final view of this problem. Thank you.